How to scan QR code in Windows laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you click search or your start and then search for your camera application. Open the camera app. Then in this camera section in your right hand side there is a navigation bar. There you will see three different options. One is take photo, next video, and then other is a barcode. All you have to do is click on the barcode and then simply enter or show the barcode in your camera. After that, it will automatically scan barcode or QR code for you and it will lead you to that link that the QR will take. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.